I am truly honored to be here. I look at organizations like PLM, the men and the women who are responsible for putting this together, for holding this up. This is a model of what works. We don't have to look far. We don't have to dig deeply. This works. This is nation building. You teach the children. You provide a sacred, safe space. And you have an African vision of sovereignty. And you work on it. You act accordingly. That's what warriors do. That's what we're supposed to do.
I've been in the Black Liberation Movement now 53 years. A lot of people on the streets, because I'm an organizer and I'm a scholar and I'm a professor. I've taught for 41 years, 16,000 students. So when you throw stuff out of the universe, things come back. So then Imhotep called me. And I've had some other people call me from around the country. And what I like about young brothers and sisters like him and your organization here is that y'all is into Pan-Africanism, Afrocentrism, but you're also dealing with the real deal right now. You know what I mean? In terms of, I like the fact that he's got an economic development component. I like the fact that there's a study component. Because if you don't know your history, you don't know where you come from, you surely don't know where you're going. One of the weaknesses of black movements in the 60s is too many in the movement didn't know their history. You know what I'm talking about? So hooking up with Imhotep has been a real pleasure. And so I'm saying that I'm enjoying being here because of the sincerity of the brothers and sisters here.
I want to really give a big thanks to the PLM, who I'd never heard of. And coming from the airport, as we talked, the only question I had was, where have y'all been all my life? Because a breath of fresh air.